What do Formula One, Tottenham Hotspur, and Atlético de Madrid all have in common? On the surface, you might say they're all massive global sports brands. But look a little closer. Look at the car, or the sleeves on those jerseys. You'll see a single, unifying logo, the Kraken. This isn't just about throwing money at a famous name. These partnerships matter. They're a strategic move that tells a powerful story about where a company like Kraken sees its future and what it wants its brand to represent. So, why F1, Tottenham, and Atlético? First, there's the audience. Formula One is a global spectacle of technology and high-octane performance. Its fan base is highly engaged, tech-savvy, and spans every corner of the world. It's the perfect place to showcase a brand that prides itself on being at the forefront of innovation. For Kraken, sponsoring Williams Racing isn't just about having their logo on the car's halo and rear wing. It's about being associated with precision, speed, and the relentless pursuit of excellence, values that are core to both crypto trading and F1. They've even used the partnership to create unique fan experiences like the Grid Pass, a digital collectible that unlocks exclusive perks. Then you have Tottenham and Atlético. Football, or soccer as some call it, is the most popular sport on the planet. Its fan base is immense, passionate, and fiercely loyal. By becoming the official sleeve sponsor for both clubs' men's and women's teams, Kraken is getting its name in front of hundreds of millions of people on a weekly basis. But the benefits go beyond simple brand recognition. These aren't just passive partnerships. Kraken is working with the clubs to create fan experiences that go beyond the pitch, using Web3 technology to engage supporters and educate a new audience about crypto in a familiar, accessible way. It's about building trust and credibility by associating with storied institutions that fans already trust. Ultimately, these sponsorships are about two things: credibility and scale. In a world of volatile crypto markets and short-lived projects, Kraken is making a statement. They're aligning themselves with established, respected, and globally recognized sports brands that have stood the test of time. This sends a powerful message of stability and long-term vision. It says, we're not going anywhere. And by choosing 3 different sports in different parts of the world, they are building a global footprint that no single, targeted campaign could achieve. They're not just marketing to crypto enthusiasts, they're bringing crypto to the masses. They're making it part of the mainstream conversation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.